come before you today, and there's just one thing that I wanna say. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna for all you've given to me, and for the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, say, really grateful. Joyfulness unto the Lord. Yeah, we're gonna do without the look. Let me see your hand like this. Let's go.